The Documents tabs. The Documents Transfer Details tab enables you to specify the combinations of QuoteWorks document types and QuoteWorks start status to define which Sage document types are created. The QuoteWorks document type column enables the user to select which QuoteWorks document type can be created in Sage. To configure the document type you wish to create in Sage, select the document type from the drop-down list in the QuoteWorks document type column, and you can choose between quote, order or invoice. The QuoteWorks starting status column is used during the validation process to ensure that documents can only be created in Sage if they are of a certain status in QuoteWorks. By default, an invoice must have a status of invoice ready for Sage in QuoteWorks before it can be created in Sage. You can, however, change this wording to match your own existing document statuses in QuoteWorks. To do so, just double-click in each column and enter your required starting status. The QuoteWorks ending status column shows the status of the document in QuoteWorks after the information has been transferred to Sage. By default, a product invoice has its status changed to invoice created in Sage. Again, you can change this wording if you require. The Sage document type column enables the user to select the type of document that is to be created in Sage from the QuoteWorks document. The document type, i.e. product sales invoice, product sales credit, can be selected from the drop-down list box. There are a number here to choose from. The plus-minus change column enables the user to specify whether negative values are being used in QuoteWorks. If the box is ticked, ConnectIt will change the sign in the corresponding document from plus to minus or from minus to plus. If the box is not ticked, ConnectIt will not change the sign. It is necessary to have the correct plus-minus sign in the change column because credit notes are generally created in different ways in QuoteWorks and in Sage. The document values are negative in QuoteWorks but positive in Sage. To ensure that the sales reporting is accurate in QuoteWorks, credit notes must be created as invoices with negative values. It is therefore necessary as part of the ConnectIt configuration to check that the sign for each document type is correct and to change it if necessary to ensure that all documents are created correctly in Sage. You can see in this example here the credit note has the tick by it, and this is the correct setting. The active column enables the user to activate and deactivate the document types that can and cannot be created in Sage. If you require the ability to create certain document types, ensure that there is a tick in the appropriate ticks box in the active column for that particular document type. To prevent certain document types being created, click the tick box to deactivate it so that the box is not ticked. The address and delivery address columns enable the user to specify which of the QuoteWorks sold to, shipped to and billed to address fields are used when transferring the information into Sage. The address column transfers to the Sage address on the Details tab of a document, and the delivery address transfers to the Sage delivery address on the Order Details tab. Ticking the comment column tick box allows the user to control whether QuoteWorks comment lines are transferred to Sage. Ticking the group header column tick box allows the user to control whether QuoteWorks group header lines are transferred to Sage as message lines. Ticking the PO Docs column tick box allows the user to control whether the comment and group header lines are transferred to purchase order documents as well as sales documents in Sage. Please note that when creating comment lines in Sage, ConnectIt uses the M message line product code with a description from the same QuoteWorks line item field as that selected for the products. Please see the Products tab, Product Description, Field Selection Information. Ticking the Stop Exclude column enables the user to prevent exclude line types from the QuoteWorks document being transferred across to the Sage document. Ticking the Stop Don't Print column enables the user to prevent Don't Print line types from the QuoteWorks document being transferred across to the Sage document. Caution should be used with this setting, as Don't Print line types may have a cost or a price associated with them, and this could result in differences between the total document value of the QuoteWorks and the Sage documents. Please note that if the associated stop flag is set, then a line item will not be transferred if it is an exclude or don't print type. The precedence is such that ConnectIt does not transfer the line. The Sales Doc Notes 1 to 3 fields relate to the information that ConnectIt-Sage will transfer into the Sage document Notes 1 to 3 fields. By default, this is the QuoteWorks document number, Notes 1, and the document name, Notes 2. ConnectIt supports a number of macros to allow configuration to transfer a number of different field values across from QuoteWorks. For full details of the macros available, please see the ConnectIt Knowledge Base article 90, and this can be found at www.connectit-online.co.uk. The Purchase Docs Notes 1 to 3 fields relate to the information that ConnectIt-Sage will transfer into the Sage document Notes 1 to 3 fields. By default, this is the QuoteWorks document number, Notes 1, and the QuoteWorks document name, Notes 2. ConnectIt supports a number of macros to allow the configuration to transfer a number of different field values across from QuoteWorks. Again, for full details of the macros, please see the ConnectIt Knowledge Base article 90 at www.connectit-online.co.uk. The Comment 1 and 2 fields relate to the information that ConnectIt-Sage will transfer into the Sage document line items, Comment 1 and Comment 2 fields. Select the appropriate field to use, or leave blank for no information to be transferred. Please now click Save to retain your settings on the Documents Transfer tab's details. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please contact your QuoteWorks reseller partner or visit the ConnectIt website at connectit-online.co.uk or email us at info@connectit-online.co.uk. Thank you.